This motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving sculpture, shaped in smooth silver, white curves that flow like liquid metal across the road. The body reflects the sky as it travels, with black-tinted panoramic windows stretching cleanly across the sides, and thin golden LED accents tracing the outer edges. Even before you step inside, it already communicates elegance, aerodynamic efficiency, and a luxury experience designed with intention. Everything on the exterior feels futuristic yet warm, bold yet balanced, setting the exact tone for what awaits inside. Stepping into the lounge, the interior reveals an immediate sense of calm, crafted through soft architectural curves and warm golden lighting. The walls blend matte silver with deep graphite contours, and a sculpted amoeba-shaped sofa in warm beige sits gracefully along the curvature. The floating black glass coffee table glows softly beneath its base, supporting a minimal vase with fresh greenery. On the right, a small staircase with golden-lit steps leads subtly to the upper level, making the space feel multidimensional without overwhelming the viewer. A long panoramic black-tinted window stretches behind the seating area, showing a realistic roadside view, a reminder that even inside this refined environment, the world outside is always in motion. The atmosphere feels inviting, compact, and cinematic, as though the interior is guiding you gently toward the next space. Entering the bedroom feels like stepping deeper into a personal sanctuary. The room is shaped with free-flowing amoeba curves, where satin silver walls merge into black sculpted inlays, illuminated by thin golden LED veins that follow the edges like delicate highlights. At the center, the floating amoeba-shaped bed makes a statement, charcoal upholstery with a warm white underglow that gives the appearance of weightlessness. On one side, a black side table holds a small flower vase. On the other side, a soft golden lamp casts ambient warmth across the headboard. The panoramic black glass window here is slightly smaller but maintains the same exterior shape, bringing realism and continuity without distracting from the intimate atmosphere. The ceiling, sculpted in gentle silver layers with warm diffused light, completes a space that feels modern, soothing, artistic, and compact. Moving into the dressing area, the design transitions elegantly into a more functional aesthetic while maintaining the same luxurious tone. Full-height black mirror wardrobe doors form a curved wall that instantly expands the space visually. Several of these panels slide open to reveal perfectly organized clothing racks, bags, and accessories, all lit by soft golden underglow. The vanity area floats in matte black, with perfumes, grooming items, and essentials placed neatly across its surface. A tall frameless mirror spans the height of the wall behind the vanity, reflecting the architectural curves of the surroundings without adding unnecessary noise. A compact charcoal stool with a subtle gold accent ring slides effortlessly under the vanity shelf. Even though the dressing area is compact, it feels like a premium private suite designed specifically for thoughtful routines. Right after the dressing area is the executive office, quiet, modern, and incredibly refined. The matte black walls curve gently, intersected by deep metallic silver bands, while warm golden LED strips run softly across the upper edges. A floating matte black desk shaped like a streamlined wing stretches across the center, holding a laptop, a coffee mug, a few books, and a black vase containing a red flower. Shelves built into the curved wall glow softly beneath red-tinted underlighting, adding subtle depth without taking over the scene. The chair is charcoal with red accent piping, sculpted ergonomically to balance comfort and sophistication. A slim black glass window with warm glow framing supports the sense of realism. The space is compact but feels intentionally premium, making it an ideal spot for work, planning, or creative thought while on the road. As we move toward the heart of the motorhome, the kitchen appears sleek, seamless, and intelligently designed. Matte black cabinetry wraps the walls in a gentle aerodynamic sweep, while satin silver trimming follows the curves like crisp highlights. The dark stone countertop is shaped in an elongated wave, separating the circular sink from the induction cooktop with perfect clarity. The built-in microwave sits cleanly within a curved black glass cabinet above. Golden LED strips glow under every counter edge, giving the kitchen an inviting warmth. Beside the counter, the small dining extension holds two pebble-shaped stools upholstered in beige and black. On the dining surface, a teapot and two minimalist cups add life and a sense of ritual. The window strip above the counter mirrors the motorhome's exterior, completing a compact, functional, and visually striking kitchen concept. Next, we enter the bathroom, crafted to be minimal yet luxurious. The matte pearl white walls curve elegantly, contrasted by satin silver vertical panels and a glowing frameless oval mirror. The floating vanity is matte black with a seamless white basin and warm golden underlighting. To the right, A compact curved shower pod in tinted black glass stands with silver trim, softly illuminated inside. The commode rests quietly in a small silver alcove, highlighted by subtle warm reflections. The matte lightwood flooring adds natural warmth and anchors the entire space. The room feels calm, hygienic, and beautifully efficient. Beyond the bathroom lies the spa pool room, a serene retreat designed to honor personal relaxation. The walls are shaped in amoeba-like silver curves, smooth and reflective. At the center sits a compact deep-soaking pool in dark stone, glowing with warm golden underwater lighting. Black glass wall panels amplify the light, creating a sense of depth and calm. The small tinted window shows a gentle roadside scene, maintaining realism without breaking immersion. This space feels intimate, peaceful, and surprisingly luxurious for a motorhome. The gym follows, a compact but fully functional fitness area. The matte black amoeba-shaped walls integrate satin silver bands and golden LED lines. A professional treadmill and rowing machine sit realistically on the matte graphite anti-slip floor, accompanied by a small chrome dumbbell rack. The overhead lighting glows warm and soft, complementing the athletic environment without harshness. It's compact, functional, and high quality, nothing artificial or toy-like. Just ahead, the passenger seat area appears, simple but beautifully executed. Two reclining seats in silver beige sit side by side, with warm white lighting beneath the bases. A small center console holds cup holders and a tiny plant, adding life to the space. The black glass window beside the seats is slim, clean, and realistic. It is exactly the kind of seating you expect in a luxury motorhome, not exaggerated, not decorative, just practical and premium. Finally, the cockpit awaits. The dashboard blends matte black with satin silver arcs, glowing subtly with warm white ambient light. The digital instrument cluster, set in a black glass housing, provides a modern and clean visual interface. The steering wheel is matte black with silver trim, simple and realistic. The pilot seats match the passenger seats in silver beige with smooth stitching. The wraparound windshield curves in the same style as the motorhome's exterior, giving the driver full command of the road ahead. It's sharp, immersive, and futuristic. So tell me, if handed the keys today, where's the very first place you'd fly on wheels? If you enjoyed exploring this next-level motorhome interior, make sure you subscribe, because the future of luxury travel isn't parked, it's accelerating.